Logan!
Teo, where are we going?
To the auditorium.
Why? Huh? Men! Wow, the guest speaker. Patingin naman. You know, ganda oh.
For perseverance and dedication that has brought each one of you to this milestone. As you stand on the threshold of new opportunities, remember that the knowledge and experiences you've gained will carry you towards success and inspire you to face the future with hope, confidence, and a clear vision. Miss Meryl A. B. Miss Chloe Lorraine Mabano. The coordinator is Linda R. William. Mr. Mike Joseph B. Tequila. Miss Lorena L. Valle, our school principal. And Dr. Melanie Rosta S. Alde, our school directors. And our guest speaker, Miss Camille Gabriel. Our guest speaker. Please give her a round of applause, please.
Good afternoon. Our guest speaker for today is from batch 2006 of our school. She was graduated here in elementary. She is now taking up Doctor of Philosophy in Education, major in School Transformation at St. Paul University, Manila, a postgraduate certification in Managing Sustainability of Schools in St. Paul University, Manila, Master of Arts in Education, major in Guidance and Counseling, Teacher Certificate Program Outcomes-Based Pedagogy at St. Paul University, Manila, 18 units of Teacher Certificate Program, Bachelor of Science in Psychology, major in Guidance and Counseling graduate. She is now a senior high school faculty at St. Paul University, Manila, and Guidance Associate at De La Salle Araneta University. Please welcome Ms. Camille Gabriel.
To our dear teachers and school administrators, led by Dr. Fredeline Heralde, our loving parents and guardians, and our Rosarian graduates, a pleasant good afternoon to all. Let me take you back to the year 2006. Tagal. Ang bata pa natin lahat yan. And share with you my Rosarian experience. 19 years ago, I stood exactly where you are now. It may have been in a different venue, if I remember it correctly, SM Mega Mall Trade Hall. So talagang baguhan pa ang ating school. But the whirlwind of emotions were both filled. It feels so familiar as I had the same fears back then. Masaya kasi gagraduate na, Oo, pero takot at may pangamba. As a grade 6 completer, I too was filled with uncertainty. We were about to embrace adolescence, leave the comfort of our primary years, and step into the unknown world of high school. Back then, Santa Rosario Montessori School did not yet have a high school level, so I was faced with a new challenge, leaving my comfort zone and finding another institution. A new home where I could discover and unlock my full potential. It was not easy, and I did not know where the strength came from. In the words of Nikki's revived song, "You'll Be in My Heart," I may not be with you, but you've got to hold on. They will see in time, I know, we will show them together. This, I believe, is the message of SRM to me upon leaving. Okay. Then high school came, and I moved to a bigger school, which brought its own set of challenges and adjustments. But no matter how much time passed, I always found myself reflecting on my 8-year experience in SRM. I fondly remember the contests I joined, whether it was the book presentations, theater plays, dance contests, singing competition, beauty pageants, diba? Kampibo ko talaga. So thanks to my mom. But what remains closest to my heart are the cheers of my fellow Rosarians and the unwavering encouragement from my teachers. To name a few, I always hold on to the kind words of my teachers: Teacher Ellen, Teacher Dorcas, Teacher Lloyd, Teacher Linda, Teacher Lorena, Teacher Arlene, Teacher Carmela, Teacher Annalyn, Teacher Lynn, and the entire SRM faculty and the community, who helped me believe in myself even when things became too much difficult. And of course, our teachers were not just supporters. So sa mga napagalitan dyan, huwag kayong magtatanim ng sama ng loob. There were times when they had to be disciplinarians to correct, guide, and even reprimand us. Now that I am an educator myself, I truly understand that those moments came from a deep place of love and care. They did what they did because they genuinely wanted what was best for us. Equally important was the constant support of my family. So I think you were with your parents, with your guardians. So they are the constant support we need. So we have here, ayan, yung nanay ko, hinatid kami ng tatay ko. So sila talaga yung constant support at parating pinanggagalingan ng lakas ng loob. I cannot express enough how much their belief in me shaped my continuous academic journey. To be honest, I was not an academic achiever. I was just an average kid. I had my share of self-doubt and questioned my abilities. Magaling ba talaga ako o kakayanin ko nga ba talaga ito? But what mattered most was how the environment embraced me. Even when I struggled to believe in myself, that kind of support nurtured my confidence and gave me the courage to keep going. It reminded me that excellence is not about medals or certificates. It is about showing up, rising after every fall, and choosing to believe in your own way. No matter how you started, what matters most is how you finish and what you have become in the process. So sige, tingnan natin. Sino ba dito ang mga blooms? Raise naman yung hands. Meron ba blooms, mga makabini? Ayan, hello! So sabi nga ng bini sa kanta nila, hingang malalim lang at tandaan, ika'y may hawak ng iyong hakbang. Ang buhay ay nagkaya. So always bring that with you. It's not a race, everyone. It's a journey. This is something I continue to carry with me, and I hope you will carry it with you as well. To my fellow Rosarians, wherever your path may lead, whether staying or living this institution, always remember, once a Rosarian, always a Rosarian. Like me, you are already a proud product of Santa Rosario Montessori School, no matter where life takes you next. To our grade 6 completers, Padayon Batch 2025. Thank you and good afternoon.
Once again, thank you, Camille. And then call on stage our school director, presented to Camille M. Gabriel, for imparting her inspirational message to the grade 6 graduates of batch 2025 during the 40th commencement exercises with the theme, Generation of Unity, Partners for the New Philippines. 25 at Valenzuela City Auditorium, signed by our school principal, Lorena L. Balge, and our school directress, Dr. Fredeline Rosa S. Heralde. Once again, please give a big hand for Ma'am Camille.